Hello everyone. Today, we'd like to show you how you can use ChatGPT to automate job description creation, a task that usually takes a lot of time but can be simplified easily with the help of ChatGPT. Let's get started. For example, I want to create a job description. I can tell ChatGPT, I want to create a job description generator with the following structure. Start with a header that includes the job title, location, and salary range. Follow it with an introduction to the position. Next, include job requirements, and finally, list the tasks and responsibilities. Notice that I'm specifying the order. For instance, I want job requirements listed before the tasks because I want consultants to focus on the tasks first. After entering this, ChatGPT provides the structure. From here, I can refine it further if needed. Here's how it works with real examples. Let's say I receive a job description from a client via email. I copy and paste the content directly into ChatGPT. ChatGPT processes it and automatically uses the structure we defined earlier, giving me a draft. You can also adjust the output format. For instance, I can ask ChatGPT to rewrite it as a LinkedIn post or format it for WhatsApp sharing. The best part? ChatGPT remembers the configurations we've set, so we can reuse the same thread for future tasks. For example, if I receive another job description, say this time in a PDF, I just copy the full text, formatting doesn't matter, and paste it into the thread. ChatGPT will follow the same instructions and generate the required output, such as a LinkedIn post. This makes the process incredibly flexible. So, in just a few steps, you can save hours of work. Thank you. We hope this helps you save a lot of time and effort.